working in Nacro, it makes me feel good that we're contributing in some meaningful way to society. So even though I'm not a frontline worker, I like that whatever I do makes some change and a good change. Initially, it was going to be about a 3-month stint, I think, but I've just celebrated my 3rd anniversary. I've had a lot of progression as well. So I started as a L&D coordinator, moved to a senior L&D coordinator, then junior people advisor, and now people advisor. So it's been really good career-wise for me. The people here are really kind, because it is a charity, it does attract a certain kind of people. Very empathetic. They want to see the best in people. They want to help you grow. That's really helped my journey as well. My day-to-day mostly is working in the background in Nacro. So, while the frontline workers are obviously on stage, we're sort of backstage, making sure the operations run smoothly. It's really nice to get to connect with people across the organization. In this specific role, I've met a lot of people from, say, education, Casto, the SAS directorate, and yeah, it's been really fruitful. Recruiting into support worker roles has been a challenge. At one point of time, I think we struggled with getting a wide variety of applicants. So we've changed how we advertise things and we're using diverse job portals. And so I think we're getting better applications.
Describe Nacro in one word.
It's a hyphenated word. I'd call it purpose-driven. It's incredible that it has been around for 60 years. I mean, an organization definitely needs to be doing something good to be around for this length of time.